Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make suet cakes for squirrels. Now I know you can buy them at the store, but I think it's much cheaper to make them at home. So to make the suet cakes, I will need peanuts, bird food, flour, and water. Optionally, you can use vegetable shortening and peanut butter. So I will mix the water and flour. And now I'll add vegetable shortening and peanut butter. The consistency has to be soft and creamy. Now I'll add the peanuts and the bird food. It should be 2 inches thick, and I'm gonna cut it before we bake it. Now I'll bake it for 1 hour in 350 degrees. So it's been baking for 1 hour and now it's ready to use.